So this picture can be drawn using the AutoCAD with the following commands like units. So unit command is used to set the units, whether you are drawing in or you are drawing in feet or in inches, like that. Limits command is used to set the boundary, and zoom command is used to zoom and draw the drawing accurately. Pan command is used to move the drawing to the right or left according to our convenient level on the screen. Then drawing command like circle using radius or diameter option, and using tangent radius option, and editing commands like trim, extend, and lengthen command can be used. Since here the circles are arranged in a circular form, polar array form, so we are using the polar array command, and bylayer command to edit the properties of the line, and Dimcenter to give the circle the center mark, the green color line, and dimension command to dimension the other dimension parameters, and finally the Dimstyle to alter the dimension style. So here in this diagram, all dimensions are in mm, so we want to set the units as mm. So the finished drawing should look like this. So initially the limit command is used to set the limits. Before that, you want to set the units. The short is UN, and we can enter UNITS also. So the drawing unit window will open. Here you can set which type of unit you need, either architectural, decimal, or engineering, or fraction, or scientific. Here we are going to set it as decimal. Then we are setting to precision to 0. So here unit to scale, here you want to check it as there are different units. So since in our drawing all dimensions are in mm, so we are setting it as mm, and we are setting it as OK. And then you are setting as limit command. So initially the lower left corner is 0, and the upper right corner is 210, 297. I'm setting it for A4 size. Then zoom, enter, all enter. So the next command is circle. So the diameter is, and it's using diameter option D. It is asking diameter. Diameter is 50. Now 3 concentric circles are there. Again same command C. Diameter D. Option red diameter is 68. And I can invoke the same command using pressing the space bar. Diameter 85. Now 3 concentric circles are drawn. Then center circle is taken as reference, so I can pick it. I can change the color, change the line type as center. Now the center mark is not visible, so I can change the properties by clicking it and right clicking it, and can change the line type scale as from some 10 or 15 to some convenient value, so that the center line is visible. Now you can use the same circle command to draw the circle at this node. So the diameter is 8. Now I want to copy the circle around this circle, the yellow circle. So I can use array command. Under array, you can select polar array. There's an option called select objects. So I can select this object, this circle, I want to array it. After selecting, right click it. Then I want to select the center point of the circle. So I can select here. Then the number of items it is asking. So total number of items is 6. The angle I need to fill is 360 degrees, so I can leave as it is. Then I can go for preview. Once preview is correct, I can right click it to confirm it. So this picture is drawn. Then the next thing, want to draw the remaining part. So I can use the same circle command. Circle center radius. I can use the circle command. And diameter option D. Diameter is 140. And same circle option. Diameter option. Diameter is 180. Now you can draw a circle here, taking the center on the diameter option 22. Now you can use array command ARRAY, entering it. So you can use the polar array, selecting the objects. Here, right click. Here I can change the option, total number of items and angle between the items. So here the total number of items is 3, and angle between the item is 45 degree. So these things are given in the drawing itself. So I can go for preview. So this side is drawn. So right click, I can fix it. This circle is not needed. So I can select it and delete it. And I want to get this circle in this half, in this side. So I am mirroring it, mirror command, MIRROR, enter. It is asking for selecting the objects. Select it, right click it. Then it is asking the first point on the mirror line. So I'm selecting this point as the first point of the mirror line, and just like a vertical line, I select it, and it is questioning whether I want to delete the source objects or not. So I need no. So this thing is done. So after that, from this circle, the center point, the radius is 20. So I can use circle. From this center point, radius is 20. I'm drawing it. Similarly, same thing. From this side, I can select here, and I am drawing it. Can trim this line. Right. Now I want to draw a curve of an arc of a radius 8 mm. So under the circle option, again, there is an option called TTR, that is tangent radius. So this is the tangent, first tangent, this is the second tangent, and the radius to be drawn is 8 mm circle. So I can draw like this. Similarly, I should repeat for the next side. So the tangent radius option, right click it, you will be getting it. So this is the tangent 1, this is the tangent 2, and radius is 8. So enter it. So now I can trim the unwanted parts. So the shortcut is TR, enter. Select the cutting edges. I can select the unwanted parts. So I can zoom it. I click, enter. So this is center line. So I can select it and select some different colors and select the properties, center line. Select it, right click it, select it, right click it, go for properties. I can select the line type scale. or 10 or 15 to get the convenient visibility. So I think the drawing is more or less completed. So once you dimension it, the drawing will be completed. So before going to dimension, you want to set the dimension style. So DS Dimstyle, Dimstyle. So this dimension style manager will open. Here go for modification and check whether the lines dimensioning rules are there. Symbols and text, you can select the arrow sizes, can select the text, set the primary unit, set the secondary units, go for precision as 0 here. Since you are setting it as a mm, you can set it as 0 here, and can set OK and set current, close. Now you select the dimension in the annotate tab. So dimension, go for diameter. So here you can set it as diameter is 50 for this circle, and diameter is coming. What are the values you are inputted using the while drawing? The dimension will be reflected here. So then Dimcenter, Dimcenter, enter. Now it is asking for selecting an arc or a circle. You select the arc or the circle. The dimension line center mark is marked for the arc or the circle. You can revoke the same commands by pressing space bar. Now you can go for dimension, radius, dimension, you can go for diameter. I think all the things are drawn here, so we can draw for yes 22. So dimension, you can go for radius. So radius option is used for arc and diameter option is used for full circle. You can dimension all the things that is given in the basic drawing. You can use the mirror option. This is the line. I want to mirror it. And I can go for the dimension in the annotate tab. Dimension, you can see angular. So I can select here this line and this line, 45 degree. Same, I can select this line and this line, 45 degree. And diameter, can select this circle. Right, you can select this circle. Since this circle is in polar array, right click it. You can go for M text, where you can write percentage. For diameter symbol, you can write percentage C. So diameter symbol will come. Diameter 8, 6 holes. 6 holes are there with diameter 8. So I can edit it using M text option, and the right topmost corner you find close text editor, close it. Then you can fix it anywhere conveniently on the screen. Similarly, for this also, this diameter also you can do it. After doing it, zoom, enter. So there is an option called window. You put a window around the picture, then the drawing you have completed will be zoomed to convenient level on the screen. Thank you.